It's the longest sentence so far handed out by the International Criminal Court. The president of the court described the extreme gravity of the gang rapes and pillaging committed, especially because defenseless victims were involved.
The Chamber notes that some of the underlying acts of rape were especially sadistic. Entire families, the elderly, men, women and children were victimized in turns during the same attacks by the same MLC soldiers or soldiers of the same group that raped and murdered other family members and pillaged their belongings.
As commander of the movement for the liberation of the Congo, Bemba is being held responsible for the criminal acts of his soldiers in the Central African Republic 14 years ago. For the first time, the International Criminal Court has sentenced the commander for the acts of his troops. Rape and sexual violence are established weapons of war, and that's why the sentence against Jean-Pierre Bemba is not only seen as recognition for the more than 5,000 victims in the Central African Republic, but also for all the other victims of rape and sexual violence during conflicts worldwide. A representative of the victims described the sentence as an important step in the healing process of the men, women and children who were abused, raped and robbed.
Pour les victimes, c'est une façon de reconnaître.
For the victims, this sentence means the recognition of their suffering and the pure recognition of the fact that they have been victimised. The fact that he has been held responsible is important to them, and this sentence gives them moral strength.
Bemba has already started an appeal against the ICC verdict. Lawyers for the former Congolese vice president say he's very disappointed with the prison sentence. He considers it to be unreasonably severe compared to other commanders convicted of similar crimes. Vaessen, Jazeera, The Hague.